Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the event ID 131 error message when you're receiving in the Windows event viewer where Windows is unable to retrieve the metadata for device you connected to your system. So this issue, it indicates that Windows Update is having trouble retrieving metadata about the installed hardware during the startup phase. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first method we will do is to change the registry value. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then we need to type here at search for apps registry editor, and then right click and tap run as administrator. If you receive user account control and click this yes. So before you proceed in the registry, I will suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restart it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is to select file and then select export file, and then here at file name, so I recommend with name it a date and which you are making the backup, set export reg to all, and then save it to convenient easily accessible locations on your computer, and then click save. And if you needed to import it back, so all you have to do is to select file again, and then select import file, and then navigate to the file locations you save the file, and then click open. Alright, so we will proceed now. So the next step we will do is to navigate to these locations. So select and double click this HK local machines, and then select software folder. So select and double click, and then you need to locate this Microsoft folder. So select and double click again. And then next step, you need to select and find this Windows folder, and select this Windows folder, select and double click. And then here at Windows folder, then select current versions folder. So select and double click. And then next step, you need to find this device metadata. So scroll down and locate this device metadata. So select one time, and then on right pane, then find and locate the device metadata service URL key. Alright, so we find already the device metadata service URL. So select and double click. So here at edit string, then double check the value name. At here at value data, then we need to change this URL. So this URL we need to change at http://metaservices.microsoft.com, then /dms/metadata and .sbc. So we need to copy this link. So Ctrl+C, and then we need to change this value data. So res.1 and paste, Ctrl+B, and then click OK. Alright, so after here, and then we need to close this registry editor, and then here at start menu, then you need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix event ID 131 error in Windows Device Setup Manager. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.